You have thousands of lines of data that need to be aggregated under categories and presented on a chart. And wondering how to proceed? No worries. You will see in the next few steps that in Excel this is a very easy task to accomplish by using SUMIF formula. Shall we start? All right. In this example, our table includes quantity of 3 types of fruits per year. Let's fill in the table. Great. Now our base data set is ready. Now let's prepare a separate simple table including our 3 fruits only. And let's give it a try to apply SUMIF formula. Select the range, define the criteria and the sum range. Because we want to copy our formula, let's state the ranges in fixed format. For that we will need to incorporate $signs into our formula range, which we can easily do by using the shortcut key F4. Let's also put a $sign just before the criteria. Now we can easily copy this formula to all remaining cells. For the year 2 quantity we need to change the sum range. We can do this either by entering the new range into formula or by simply using the mouse. Now we have our totals aggregated for each fruit and the overall total is matching to the base data set. Let's now try to make a chart. Select the relevant area and choose the chart type. Let's give a proper name to our chart. We can even hide the underlying table by bringing the chart front. As you can see, our chart works properly and updates itself automatically whenever there is any change in the base data set.